So I want to do a little work on this to make it more printable. And so I'm going to go over to my folder and open up my example drawing by itself. Okay, so let's just hide that sky. This still shows that it's a cloud, the sun is there. This green, that's still an awful lot of green as well. So what I'm going to do is simply move it down some. Okay, by moving it down, I'll be able to show that there's ground there, but it's not going to take up as much ink. So let me just do a file and save. When I do that over on my mission patch, eventually it's going to say, hey, there's been something changed. And you can say, yes, please update with the new improved picture. And now we've got our green grass here. In fact, we could probably even make this a little bit bigger and have it go all the way across, which looks kind of nice. Keeping the sun in there. And now our flower is just kind of big for this. So let's go back and make another change. So you'll notice here that the leaf and another leaf, the flower petal, the stem, they are all separate layers as requested so that we could do animation. In this case, I should be working from a copy. I am working from a copy here. I'm going to go ahead and group all of that together so that it all goes onto that one single layer, simply so that I can shrink this down. And I could change it. I can keep the proportions. I could rotate this. Whatever is going to make it fit in there better is going to help me out some. So let's see what that does. File and save, and then let it update over here on my original. I know that the asterisk is gone, so it has been saved. It just hasn't noticed that there's been some changes there yet. There we go. And now I've got the flower is smaller, which means, can I make this even bigger? So you might have to go back and forth to try and get it just the way you want it. Show a little bit more of the sun there. So this uses about the same amount of ink all told as a solid block of color with all the blue that was in the middle. It may still be a little bit on the large size. If we take this, maybe move it up a little more, bring the flower down a little bit, tweak it until it's no more than half of this, and half at least of the picture is also white, and we'll be in pretty good shape.